I'm eating some gravy and
bro
rice.
Eating greedy ass nigga.
Yep.
Cause that nigga got hot sauce on his shit.
Yeah, cause I ain't really putting on gravy. Trying to stay away from that gravy, man. So I substituted for sodium because I ain't been eating a lot of salt lately.
Yeah, but y'all can see right here. If I could point at it. Right here. We put too much. Where that Ellie wrench sitting in. Gotta unscrew that plug we had put in there. Because at first we didn't know. So we had just plugged it. But we know now that we need to pressure switch it. Or pressure switch in there. So the fuel pump can operate how it's supposed to. I'm gonna unscrew this plug we got in here. So I can see it just got it up out of there. Now it's just a hole. This is what it looked like, y'all. Got the 3 prongs right there. Let me get the light. That's what it looked like. Screw in right there. Then you plug in. The wiring horn is right there. Alright. Right there. Now all we gotta do is plug this wire right here up to it. Right here.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I can't see. You talk about plug it up. Can't see my. Shit on there. Yep. Well, it's on there.
Mm-hmm.
So I can see we got it plugged up. Damn, spark plug it out the way.
And now I see if it turn on.
Alright, let's see what we got now.
You don't know where the keyhole at?
I'm talking about for the camera, my boy. There you go.
Alright, y'all. So right now we got our gas can, and our theory is that we're gonna try to jump start the fuel pump. So we're gonna start the motor by pouring the gas inside the carburetor, you dig? And hopefully by us starting the car like that, the fuel pump will sense the oil pressure and then kick the fuel up to the front of the car. So fingers crossed. Let me going in.
Yes, sir.
And hold up. Go. 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 Oh, it's not open.
Yeah.
The throttle's not open.
Yeah. You gotta do it on this side, but ain't no more gas. A little tiny bit.
I was scared the living snot out of me.
Huh?
Don't open it too too wide.
Wait. Gas not even going in. Go. Battery dead now. But it ran for a little minute though. It still should have kicked something up.
Actually, before how many Bible he done with me.
Papa, this Bible's will work though.
Y'all did? I be seeing y'all at that park sometimes. I seen Lena laying like a field walk a few times.
Yeah, we walk after we drop. Well, we don't leave till after we drop cake. Oh, you got some new shoes.
I got these for my birthday.
No?
Yeah, he did.
Oh. I ain't seen no name. He
Yeah,
must
he
have passed before I got here.
And let me tell you something. Huh? What you doing? Open it.
Hold on, slow. You finna try to start the car and you got all these wires and stuff right here. Start the car.
Ooh, what y'all looking for?
We're looking for some electrical connectors.
A what?
Some electrical connectors.
I don't know nothing about it.
I see two right there. What you was using them pink ones for? I don't think these pink ones gonna work. We need the blue ones. Hey, cause I'm around with no ceilings. But anyways, though, welcome back to the motherfucking channel. You did what I'm saying. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video because we're gonna have more epic videos. And yeah. Watching this and you in Texas, you dig what I'm saying? You got genuine SBC. You know you can come holler at your boys, and we gonna get you right. You feel me? And we do source parts. So if you don't want to buy no parts, you like I got X amount of dollars, and you like man, hook a young boss up. I'm trying to ride like this. Make sure you hit us up on the ground. You feel me? And have your money ready. We do take half of the payment up front though to even get started. Making our ground wire, finna tape it up with some electrical tape, and we're gonna go ahead and start this bad mamma jamma.
Bushin'.
Ooh, damn. Start that thing. We wasted a lot of gas. So to prevent any type of hazardous situation, we're gonna mix up some baking soda and water and spray it right here where we waste a lot of fuel at, and just rinse it out and load up our radiator with some water. Well, fingers crossed. Listen to this thing and turn on.
See if the shit was dripping.
Man, it's dripping. What, the gas?
No.
Oh, yeah, that shit dripping. You know it's dripping.
No, sometimes it don't.
No, it's dripping.
It run for 30 minutes.
You said turn it up, we need a screwdriver. A flathead. must be pesticide.
No. Man, that shit ain't none of that shit.
No, I'm not the walk all the way back over here.
Hold on. This been fucked up over here. This been fucked up over here. Scratches all over this one. Huh?
I don't need it.
Don't put it on the wall.
Oh, that is shit loud, nigga.
The idle screw? I mean, that shit you fucking with?
Cause I have the gas back a little bit. I'm hearing water and shit every time I have turn on.
What? It's circulating the water. I'm talking about this shit up there.
Yeah, I'm saying, but the shit should still stay on if I'm having the thing open, you don't think? Maybe not. So I'm pretty sure this is gas and this is air, right?
It's probably this shit, cause this shit ain't.
Way louder than my shit.
That shit coming out the headers, man. Alright, y'all. We're gonna do a little investigating, a little research, and we'll be back.